What's up, squad? It's your boy DJ Stat, and I'm back with another banger. And today, I'm on South Compton at Diner Delight. Let's go see what's up, y'all. Got the baked pork chop. You know, this pork chop did not cost no $11. Matter of fact, I don't even know how much it was. I was afraid to even ask. And baked chicken, cabbage, and sweet potatoes. Look interesting, y'all. Got that chicken and gravy. Hey, these could have got the puffed it. These could have puffed it. Some more big. Some more sweet potatoes, y'all. Got the lemon cake. What's up, squad? It's your boy DJ Stack, and I'm back. We're ready to get into it. But Diner Delight was very busy. They must have changed cooks or something, because that food been going like that. It was about 1:30 when I got there, and just about everything was on the steam table, just about gone. So I just tried to grab what was left and just see what was up, but right now, okay? And no, I did not pay no $11 for another pork chop. I'm not doing that no more. But I do got a baked pork chop now. So tender, it'll fit on my hand. It's tender, seasoned. Okay. All right. Pretty good. This baked pork chop is pretty good. You know, nice, well seasoned, not dried out. Yeah. Not dried out. Tastes pretty good. This pork chop right here, I give this pork chop a 6. Tastes pretty good. But me, I just want a little bit more taste. But it's all right. It's all right. It's good. Nothing bad to say about that pork chop. To the wings and the beans and sweet potatoes. Let's get a good look at it. Just a second. I ain't get prepared. I'll try the chicken and gravy, the beans, sweet potato. What do we call it? The sweet potatoes. Can you guys see it? Make sure you guys see everything. Try sweet potato first. They're cool. Sweet potatoes good. On sweet potatoes, I can do sweet potatoes 7. Beans, pretty good. I do season to it too. Beans, I give it a 7. Chicken. And the gravy. The gravy good. That gravy fire, y'all. It's hot. That gravy good. Chicken cooked all the way through. Nice season on that gravy. Oh yeah. My chicken and gravy fire. The chicken and gravy, I gotta give it a 9. I like this gravy. Matter of fact, I love the gravy. Yeah. Yep. Yep. That gravy is fire. This gravy is fire. I like to put some of this gravy on some fried rice. Got the cabbage. Try this cabbage. Let me try again if I say something. The cabbage is seasoned. They season. But no, sometimes I like to have a little meat in my cabbage. They season. It's nothing bad. I'm not gonna say nothing bad about the cabbage. The cabbage is good. Is it to my liking? No. But it's tasteful, and it's good, and it got me sweating. We're going to the baked chicken, y'all. Baked chicken. Oh, that's good. This with crispy chicken? Oh, man. All right, Donna Delight. Hey, I can even put it in your mouth. This right here? Oh. You taste the seasoning flavor all the way through it? Hey, this is good. It's baked chicken right here. Rotisserie chicken, whatever it is. Cooked all the way through. Love that flavor, love that season on it. Thank God. Woo, this right here, this baked chicken right here, from Donna Delight, give you guys a 10. This what's up. This is my ballpark right here. Yes, sir. Lemon cake. No, I gotta have me a lemon cake. I gotta have me a lemon cake. Let's see what's up with it. I mean, no. This lemon cake, maybe just the icing. But this lemon cake, I'm gonna give it a 4. It's a 4. It tastes good. It tastes alright. It's just the icing. Cake tastes kind of old, like it's been sitting up for a minute. But give it a 4 on the lemon cake. All right. All right. I gotta get my money worth. I'm tired of losing money. So there you have it, guys. Donna Delight down on South Compton. If you ever in the area, go check them out. Tell them DJ Status sit you down there. Peace. Next episode.